So we've got this, it's the same table from yesterday where we talked about the pizza and soda. So it's using that same table, but we're going to look at two different probabilities today. Got to remember these notation things. We're going to be using these on our skills check tomorrow. So we want to know this first one for our 1A here. And I'm on purpose not reading it out loud because I want to make sure that we understand what it is, not just me reading it. How are we going to build A? Super duper close, super duper close. 58 over the 140. Because what we know, the thing that's locked in, this is my denominator, is my people with water. That's what I know. This person is in this column. They got water. I know it. I saw them. They had a water bottle in their hands. They got water. So we know it's out of the total number of people with water, so that was where we get that 140 from. And then the pizza comes from what's in that green column, which would be our 58. So the way I would read that is the probability they ordered pizza if I know they got water. Read the line as if I know or as given. Probability they ordered pizza given that they got water. All right, part B is a separate thought, separate probability. They are not connected. How do we put this one together? 46 over 400. Exactly right. 46 over 400. This is my no drinks and hot dog. The upside on you, that's our and. It must be both. So no drinks and hot dogs is those 46 people. Since it's not a straight up and down line, it means it's out of the everybody, which is 400. All right. The right is what happens when you let math teachers who are not sports people write sports questions. Woohoo! So we've got a football coach, has 3 quarterbacks, 6 wide receivers, 7 defensive linemen, and a kicker at practice today. He gets a notification that one player got hurt. What is the probability that it was one of his quarterbacks?
3 out of 16, 19%.
Don't forget about the kicker. 17. 3 out of 17 that it was one of the quarterbacks that got injured, which is a very dark problem, but nice. Hey, here's your bus late. Okay. Next time you gotta get charged this. All right, so questions on any of these? I feel like we're getting pretty comfortable with our probability things, like we practice these bunches and bunches and bunches. Like I said, we have a skills check tomorrow. You also have homework 4 that is due tomorrow. Homework 3, I know a lot of us turned it in yesterday, but if you still got it, turn it in today. What we're going to do right now is if you do not have homework 3 or 4 done, do those. If you do have those done, I have a review game that you can play. But the review game is not for points. However, I will get out the treasure box. So there will be prizes. It has things like cookies or stickers or really fun ducks. There's a little bit of candy in here. They're not like full-sizers. It's like Swedish Fish or Sour Patch Kids or Sour Patch Straws. There's little fidgets. There's little toys. So it's like a little treasure box. Treasure box. Okay? So homework is 4 points, 4 grade. Homework first. Review game if you are done with homeworks.